How to change keyboard shortcuts in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the top menu bar. Then, click on DaVinci Resolve and select Keyboard Customization from the drop-down. This will open the Keyboard Shortcuts editor, where you can view and edit all the shortcuts used in the software. Next, you can either search for a specific function by typing its name in the search bar, or browse through the categories on the left side to find the shortcut you want to change. When you find the command, click on the existing shortcut key to activate the editing mode. After that, press the new key combination you want to assign to this command. If the shortcut is already assigned to another function, Resolve will warn you and you can choose to overwrite it or try a different combination. This makes it easy to avoid conflict between shortcuts. Once you have made all your changes, don't forget to save your custom keyboard layout. You can do this by clicking the Save as New Preset button and giving your shortcut set a name. This way, you can switch between different layouts if you need to. Finally, close the customization window and test your new shortcuts to make sure they work as expected. Changing shortcuts can speed up your workflow and make editing much smoother. And that's it. Now you know how to change keyboard shortcuts in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.